This is the 2020 Dell XPS 13. I'm Josh Smith with GottaBeMobile.com. New this year is the four-sided Infinity Edge display, so you can see the bezels along the edges are all dramatically reduced, and we have that beautiful display. It's a 16:10 aspect ratio. It's now 25% brighter, and this thing looks really gorgeous in person. It's a 13.4-inch display, but the overall size of this is more in line with an 11-inch form factor. In this small device, you're still getting a 10th gen Intel Core processor, so you have quite a bit of computing power in here. Thanks to the USB-C Thunderbolt 3 connectivity, you're going to be able to connect this to external displays and items like that, so that way you're going to always be able to connect other devices and do more with this when you are situated in your office. Now take a look at how sleek this is. We have super slim up here, and then even the base here is just incredibly thin. So this is really a super thin, super light Dell XPS 13. They've been producing iterations of the XPS 13 lineup for quite a while, but this one is particularly impressive. That brighter display, along with shrinking that bezel down, packing in all that power with that 10th gen Intel Core i processor, really delivers an impressive looking notebook. There's a couple different finish options. We have a black model over here, this white model here. So if you're interested in this, you can check out more. We'll have links down in the description to where you can buy this, and we'll also have some more information over at GottaBeMobile.com.